Them so proud to be a Jamaican. But I'm not even me proud. For some Jamaican in a foreign, disgraceful, bad and loud, they represent so poorly a foreign with the things that's not allowed. So when you go up a foreign embassy, foreign don't want you in them crowd. It's like you take the hug out of the pen, but you can't take the pen out of the hug. Them come a foreign with the Dutch ways and style them always have. Them tell you false about foreign with them fancy lifestyle and them pose. But no watch for them a post girl. Them a bruffing a teeth in clothes. Yes! You have some clutch a girl and them get the good things them. Them will come in a Louis V and Gucci. Them and them thieving friend. Some get themselves in a money laundering a credit card scam. It's like them mark with prison and badness with the stamp of Satan. Them quick for bring down them one another. As them turn enemy them spill the tea. Them dash up one another secret on social media like a splashing dirty reckless sea. Them quick for call immigration pan one another. Tell me how that benefit them. For them get turned back to Jamaica when all of them used to battle as friends. When you and them in the same workplace, they no stop give you a fight. They would tell the boss bad things about you. Next thing are you, the boss wants spite. If a HHA, them want your hours. Restaurant job, no have no luck. You were kind enough to give them the link up, then them turn around make you see one lose your work. And never see a set of people them fight against one another. So, all them care about a vanity. I go through them house and I brag on one another or material things. But do this and beat me. Some fix them breast and botox them lip. BBL, all kind of surgery. But I wonder when them go fix them dirty ways. When you know, you tell me. Some say them not safe for Jamaica. Go foreign, go seek asylum. How the same people them must claim that them are safe and a fear for them life. Go foreign, go turn upside down. Them are war with one another. Sometimes them all end up me see them right, me take the left, and if they walk next to me I run. And some of them will call to say they're Jamaica, broke down a lifestyle flop. But smile and post yourself the same way cause it's better than a mugshot. Cause a beer run-ins with police, them no learn to satisfy. Anything them see somebody else will, as you quint, them catch red eye. Me know enough call me tape on, and if the cap fit, make them wear it. If you have dirty ways of foreign, maybe it's time you try to quit. Don't make it bad for others, with tired for look and with phone screen and shame. If you see the bad breed Jamaican them, one go on like a hooligan of foreign, give the humble ones them bad name. All about you Jamaican and me a Jamaican and you follow me and I support me.
Welcome back to my YouTube channels. Team Irrigation is my name. Kindly for watching me for the first time. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, in today's video is about Jamaica. Recently we have seen the war between the Jamaican living in their country and the Jamaican living in diaspora. And we know that Jamaicans really love each other and they are really united, and I don't know what happening between this war. It's war that people living in diaspora from Jamaicans are really they have this culture of blaming the Jamaicans who was now in their countries. So kindly guys, before I dip in, let's watch this video until the end and then we react it later.
For a better life. And as soon as we own something, we unlock our slavery mentality and start treating each other like we're on a plantation, as if we bring the worst part of ourselves with us. We don't compete with foreigners, we compete with each other, as if we don't have strength for anyone else. Jamaican against Jamaican, who are mingled with rich people, who are doctor and who are lawyer, and then we form these little cliques like house slaves and these little plantation circles where only certain Jamaicans belong. Depends on your title and how foreign you look, and we call that progress. We travel with the slavery mindset in our suitcase and unpack it when we reach a foreign. And then after that, we struggle and work 2 and 3 and 4 jobs. And then we have the audacity to go back to Jamaica and show off our own people with this mental screw up like we're better off. But you see, this mental slavery and this British classism, it's still making us feel as if you don't rise above another Jamaican, you don't matter. And here is the truth. It's better enough with it stay at Jamaica because whole of where they are foreigners suffer.
Yo, you see, when you come a foreign, more time the best thing you can do is stay away from your own kind, you see it? And when I say your own kind, I mean Jamaican people. Because the most problems and headache and stress and heartache you have ever in for always there on your own people, brother. I say, I love my people, but when there's a big set of pussy, if I have no family, a friend, a relationship, any type of anything, brother, I wanna just hurt it, bro. I swear to you, bro. You come a foreign, brother, try make a better life for yourself, and people want to set you up, people want to hold you down, people don't want to help you. Them type of way there, bro. So I understand enough time when people come a foreign and get Yankee out and just their own American or different races and classes of people, bro. Because you come a foreign and you go in a workplace or a work environment, and you would have surprised for know say you own a kind where you work around in that environment there. Why you feel, you see it. You come to America, you own a family, you have secret animosity. Because them want you feel. You see me? You come a foreign and start date Jamaican people more time, and them want you feel. You see me? I say, brother, friendship are the same thing. You start elevate past your friend them, or your friend them see you get a new car, new house, I see you do well, brother. Them want you feel. Set up your life, all type of setting, bro. And more time, none of them never have no good advice or nothing positive to tell you upon nothing yet. You want to do something and them always, oh, me not think that I go work, you know, oh, me not think you have do that, you know, oh, this and all that, brother. Me not want to around nobody or me not par with nobody in my own kind. When I nothing positive to tell me or want to help me get to the next level where me need to reach, brother. You man, more time you have to stay away from Jamaican people, bro. Because enough of them are some big set of pussy, brother. Believe.
Why Jamaicans wicked to them one another, but not to foreigner? Guys, I forgot to tell you that the other day when I was coming back up, I was at Mobay Airport. It was my very first time traveling through Mobay, and my luggage was overweight. My check-in luggage was overweight, right? So I'm not fight it. I'm going to go up on the phone because I was bringing stuff for people as well. And let them know, so listen, this overweight, say I've got to help me pay the something. Fine. While I was on the phone, the girl never realized, say, but it's like, me I hear them. But up on the phone, but you know, me I listen same time. And our co-worker said to her, said, just make sure go through. Just make sure go through. And she did say to her, soft, you know. The girl load her up. No, me not make sure go through because she overweight, she must pay. Fine, me did feel away, but me I said, alright, you know what, the girl just do her job, me not fight it. But one white man come right after that and he was to pay for something. And she tell him, say, it's okay, I'll let you go through. So he must go through. The man must go through. And me, a fellow Jamaican, not go through. Me so no. And to top it off, what I found weird was that she asked me, is a visa you have or a green card? Nobody has ever asked me that before. Like, if you have my passport, you will see what I have. So, but they find out weird. Find my answer. And she do whatever up on the computer. Can I see your vaccination card, please? You need to be vaccinated to come to the US. So I said to her, I did this online already and it was approved because you can do the thing online before you got airport, so you don't have to go through all of that. I did it when I went to Panama. I was going back to the US and I didn't have any issues. So I said to her, I did it online. It was approved. I know, I see it, but I still want to check it. I said, girl, what you try do? What you really try do?
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you have watched that very very powerful message and advice from people across all over the Jamaica. So we have seen recently we have a war between the Jamaicans diaspora telling mongering the culture of Jamaicans. So it's a war between Jamaicans and Jamaicans, and Jamaica is just a small island from the Caribbean and it has approximately of 2.8 million and people living outside is around over 3 million. So you can find that the majority of Jamaicans are living outside their countries. So I don't know what happening in those people living outside, because they came out and started mocking the culture of Jamaica, and we all know that the culture of Jamaica is the best culture across all over the world, because Jamaica, they just talked about the food, and really Jamaica has the best food because they normally eat the raw food and the organic food, but those West people, they normally eat those natural food. So that war continued and people viewing in a different way. Jamaica starts just starts war on online, telling them that don't dare to come in Jamaica. We know how Jamaica really react. So Jamaica, when you just maybe mess with Jamaica, they will just come out and react on it. So that war continued between Jamaicans and Jamaicans, and people now come out with an advice and them like, guys, we were just the Jamaicans. We live together. Don't fight. Let's don't allow enemies to come in and divide us. We have the same culture, because I don't know what's the problem. I don't know. Sometimes I sit down and start maybe thinking why some maybe people may, when they move outside their countries, when they go to these West countries or United States or UK, they maybe see that they are superior, so they started maybe we sees other people like they are just the desperate. So Jamaicans are not the desperate. They love each other, and I don't know why those people started this war, and the people started that war was the Jamaica living in diaspora, and they just answered them that, oh, don't dare to come back to Jamaica, just remain in your country. And we have seen a lot of these songs of Jamaicans being sing everywhere. People love the songs of Jamaica. Those reggae music, they really loved by each others. Other countries really love those songs. And so even the worst people supported the Jamaicans. So really that songs, when you just listen those songs, you just remember Bob Marley. You just remember those powerful singers and those Rastafaras. All they were migrated from our country. And when I see those war, online war between Jamaica and Jamaica, I normally feel ashamed, because I'm part of them, and I normally support Jamaicans in every race. I normally support Jamaicans because of the love that they have. Because it was just taken here, they are just my brothers and sisters, and I don't want to see them fighting. I want to see the unity that they have, because culture has nothing to do with Jamaicans. Because when you go to athletics, Jamaica is the best. When you go to reggae, to music, Jamaica is the best. When you go to comedy, Jamaica is the most loved. You have Steve Harvey. So Jamaica is just a very organizing country, and people really love Jamaica. And this is the devil that is now wants to divide we as Jamaicans. And we have seen a lot of people reacting on it. Hope you have just watched that reaction. How really people love Jamaica, and they don't want to see that war continues, because of the love that we have towards Jamaica. So kindly guys, let me see reaction on comment section about those love that Jamaica have and the culture. Is this culture really embracing you? Is this really, this culture of Jamaica is suit for you? And on recommendation, how this war really started. Do you support the Jamaicans living in their country or Jamaica in diaspora? Let me see views in your comment section about this video. So kindly guys, for your support, just hit that subscription button, like, share and comment. See you later.